Module 1, Introduction, Hazmat Awareness. How much training do I need? Requirements will vary depending on job-related duties and functions. The flow of hazmat training programs is you usually start with awareness, then you go to operations, technician level, cargo tank specialty, or rail tanks car specialty, eventually to the on-site incident commander. So the levels of OSHA hazmat training are awareness, operations, technician, specialist, and then the incident commander. Individuals who are likely to witness or discover a hazardous materials release are able to initiate an emergency response notification sequence. Level 1, First Responder Awareness. As an awareness-trained first responder, you should concentrate on identifying the presence of hazardous materials, protect yourself, secure the area, notify necessary response agencies. Remember, your responsibilities will be limited. Now, Level 2 first responder operations are individuals who may detect and/or respond to releases or potential releases in a defensive fashion and attempt to contain and prevent further spreading or exposure without actually trying to stop the release. Level 3 Hazmat Technician is individuals who respond to releases or potential releases for the purpose of stopping the release. They can take offensive actions. Level 4 Hazmat Specialists are individuals who respond with and provide support to hazardous materials technicians. This requires more specific knowledge of the particular substance, transport vehicle, or container that they are dealing with. Individuals who would assume command of hazardous materials incident beyond the awareness level are on-scene incident commanders. To qualify for this position, the on-scene incident commander must be at least trained to the operations level and then take additional training. Two main goals of the awareness level are assess an incident and implement safe actions. To assess an incident, we must detect the presence, identify the material, and collect information. To implement safe actions, we want to do that based on your agency's emergency response plans, their SOPs, and the ERG. We also want to notify appropriate response agencies. Safely attempt to identify the product utilizing your training, the ERG, or any other available resources. To implement safe actions, remember we need to notify appropriate response agencies based on your agency's emergency response plan, standard operating procedures, and the ERG or emergency response guide. Assess the incident, detect the presence, identify the material, and simply collect the information. Are you ready to test what you've just learned? As a first responder at an awareness level, you have just responded to a tank truck overturned on the roadway. Identify the 4 main areas of the responsibilities during your initial response to the incidents. Just choose 4. To secure the area around the truck. Judge the amount of time needed to handle the incident. Identify the hazardous materials being carried in the tank truck. Protect yourself from any danger. Protect the surrounding property from the effects of the potential release. Perform control functions in close proximity to the tank, to the truck, or call necessary response agencies to assist. Choose the 4. Awareness level first responder. The 4 correct answers are: you would secure the area around the tank truck, identify the hazardous materials being carried in the tank truck, protect yourself from any danger, and call the necessary response agencies to assist. This concludes Module 1.